Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_ lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Wonderboom 3 from Ultimate Ears. It comes with a 14-hour playtime. It is protected up to 5-foot drop protection. It's also IP67 water resistant and dust proof. That's the turn on sound. All right, it's connected to this iPhone right here. And we're going to play at half volume a little bit of music so you can hear what it sounds like. It does 360 audio. So out of the back, out of the front, volume down. And as you can see on the phone, it controls the volume on the phone. So then there's volume up. And you can actually control multiple different ways with these buttons, and it shows you right there. And it comes with a charging cord, USB-A to micro USB charging cord, and that plugs in on the back bottom right there. There's the port. It's hidden by this cover door, which protects it from dust and water getting in. I like the rubberized feel on top and the nice fabric right here. And here's some more details on the back. So like I said, 14 hours of battery life, IP67 water and dust resistance. You can drop it up to 5 feet and it should still be okay. It comes with a little hook here on the side, on the back, and you get sound from 360 degrees. These are some of the best sounding small portable speakers that I have actually tried out in the last 5 years. So they're very good. I like everything that Ultimate Ears does. And you can actually link two of these speakers together by pressing down on the center button up here. So you can add two of them, like it says right here, and get sound, huge sound for your room. It also has an outdoor boost option. So you just key in one of the button methods down here that it shows, and you can get outdoor boost. So you can actually hear it louder. This would definitely be great for an apartment, if you're doing work from home, if you want to just listen outside, maybe at the beach too. These are good for that. And it's simple. You just hold down on the button to turn it on or off. And there it is. Now it's off. And it will remember the last item that it's paired to. And now it's connected again. And we'll play a couple of seconds there once it's ready. There you go. Very good sound from this, for sure. I like the Ultimate Ears speakers. They do a wonderful job with the 360 sound. It's Bluetooth, has the outdoor boost, and you can pair multiple speakers together. This is the Wonderboom 3. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.